Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So it's a public holiday in Melbourne on this coming Tuesday for the great race. So that's going to cause all sorts of chaos at Bullion Now. We are open for business as per normal on the Monday, so 9 till 5 Monday, and on the Wednesday, 9 till 5. However, we are closed for the public holiday for the Melbourne Cup on the Tuesday. Now it's also going to impact our shipping as well, because obviously we can't get things picked and shipped on the Tuesday because we're not here. So you're going to find slight delays, only a couple of days there, but slight delays on some shipping if you're expecting something shipped out next week. But don't stress, we'll get over that pretty quick and we'll be able to move forward. The other problem while we've got people's attention is up and down the east coast there with the flooding that's been going on and seems to continue going on. It is slowing down deliveries with our couriers. So instead of, you getting it in your hot little hands within a few days, it can take up to that week, 10 days at the moment. But if you check the website of Toll or Ozpost, they'll give you an idea in your area of how much it's delayed. So that's it for now, just a quick update. We'll talk again soon. See ya.